this is how we jive from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install and make an account of WhatsApp Messenger to your Moto G31 cellular phone. If you are new to this environment, if you don't know how you can do that, this is very simple tutorial. So most important thing, we have to go to Play Store. Here you see in the apps door or whatever, you have to search Google Play Store. Hit this one, Play Store. You have to have Google account downloading anything from Google Play Store. If you don't know that, check my video, check the video description to have a Google account. Now at the searching place, type WhatsApp. Here we go, hit this one. The first option you can see here, WhatsApp Messenger. Hit for install. Hit for continue. Hit for open. Hit agree and continue. Put your phone number. After putting your phone number, hit next button. Hit OK. They are trying to setting up your account. Have to wait. So after that, you will see WhatsApp as this and use as you like. So very simple and easy tutorial, guys. So this is how you can install WhatsApp to your brand new Moto G cellular phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.